Hello, Chef here, and this is the cactus that I like to cook with. The brand's not important, but it's this tender cactus. It's been cleaned and processed, and it's really nice stuff. I'll show you just a little bit here. Looks kind of like this, and this is like a julienne cactus with a little bit of onions and some spice added. Anyway, it's good stuff. Okay, a little bit of onion here. Okay, I've got a very hot pan here. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Some garlic. This is ají amarillo and Cajun seasonings. Yeah, a nice mixture. Spice it up a little bit. One more. Okay, at this point I'm adding the cactus. Smells pretty good. And now I've got 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Of course, you rinse the can. If you don't rinse the can, you'll never hear the end of it. Some more very beautiful cactus. Look at this cactus. Not edible. Here is the finished cactus marinara sauce. Looking good. It's got some chunks in there, you can see, and it smells great. Of course, a little taste and adjust seasonings, not a bad idea. Yeah, maybe a touch more garlic. All right, not a bad idea, and maybe a little bit of salt. It's looking pretty good. Tastes pretty good. So now we move on to the next step. Okay, so we got this awesome cactus salsa here. We're gonna put this down in the plate like this. Good portion here, like so. And we're going to just give that plate a little wiggle to spread it out a little bit. Okay. We've got some goat cheese here. Oh yeah, this just adds another effect, another flavor, and oh, it's good. And then we got this lasagna. Again, I mentioned this was leftovers, nothing fancy. And we're gonna garnish with just a touch of dried cilantro today. Thanks for watching the videos. Support your sponsor. Like, share, subscribe, and have a beautiful day. Most importantly, keep cooking. Oh, I don't think I would eat that. It looks just a little bit prickly and possibly quite dangerous as well. Wow, that baby's cool. And I'm thinking that's not edible. Or maybe this one. Oh, that looks pretty good. Well, I think this little dried flower on top is edible, but I'm not sure. Right there. Ah, look at this. Cactus with prickly pears. Those are edible. Very nice. And yet another review. Look at this box with the gold embossing.